Hello everyone. In this episode, we will solve problem that dividing a fraction by the whole number. Okay, uh, we are asked 2 over 5 is divided by 3. What is the result? As usual, you can pause the video and try to do it on your own. Okay, I assume you give it a go, and let's do it together. Now, there are a couple of ways to approach this problem. You first do it by conceptual, or you just uh, think about it visually. Okay, I will draw a square. It represents a whole. A square is represent a whole, and I will divide a square into 5 equal section. 5 equal section. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 equal section. I just hand draw and hopefully it's work. Okay, it's still nice, right? So we have 5 equal section here, and we need to take 2 over 5. We need to take 2 over 5, so we need 2 section of 5 equal section here. So it will represent 2/5. So it will represent 2 over 5, and we will divide 2 equal section by 3. So it would be divide the whole thing by 3 equal section. 1, 2, 3 equal section. 3 equal section. Okay. 3 equal section. Okay, one of the, let me change the color. Okay, so one of the third of the original 2 over 5. So what is one of the third of the original 2 over 5? I will draw off in red. I will draw in red here, or we could draw another section here, Okay, now we need to find the section I circle off in red. What is represent for what is this section represent for of a whole? What is this section represent of the whole? And if we find the answer, you will know that the answer of the answer of the 2 over 5 divided by the 3. Okay, now look. So we have how many session here of the whole? We divide the whole thing. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal section, and then we divide divide each equal section into 3 equal section. So 3 equal section, and we will have 15th. We essentially construct 15th. So each of the square here is 15th, and in the one of the third and one of the thirds of the original 2 over 5. So we have 1, 2, So 1/15, 2/15. So the answer here is 2/15. Okay, now we can solve it by a conceptual. Let's think about this. 2/5 is divided by 3. 3 as a whole. 3 as a whole, or you can think it in the fraction 3 as 3/1. And when we divide it by a fraction, it means we multiply it. We multiply it by by a reciprocal, and the reciprocal of 3 is, and the reciprocal of 3/1 is 1/3, we just swap the numerator and the denominator. And when multiply two fractions here, we can do it by a conceptual, that we just multiply both numerators. 2 times 1 is 2, and multiply both denominators by both denominators. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, now we're done, and hope it will help you make it will and hope it will and hope it make help you it ho- and hope it make help make sense why 2/y divided by uh, y divided by a fraction. This means multiply the reciprocal of this fraction, and when multiply two fractions, means we just multiply numerator to get new numerator, and multiply two denominators to get new denominator.